what you're thinking. I bet you never tell him how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell him how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real.
We're going now. After we are going on a little bush tour. That's what's happening. You see it? Yeah, I want to show you where I'm going. Yeah, young planting. That one. Yeah, man, we're going now. No, then I bushes it. Yeah. We're going to bush so we can find. So, I'm going to show you a little clip. How we're going down. Yeah, man. Sunrise style though. All those are planting trees. That's it. That's what's happening, my friend. Yeah, man, those are planting trees.
These are all planting trees?
Yeah, all planting. If you notice right up there, you see the planting?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
So, did somebody plant these? Or
Yeah, this is somebody field right there. All of those is corn.
that right there?
Yeah, all of it is corn, but true is drought. Yeah, man, we ain't getting any water since a couple of years in Jamaica, so the things they...
So he has to bring it from the spigot.
Yeah, and that field is a 1 foot man own it, so you can't bring the water. Yeah, man, all these are planting trees. Yeah, here you got a banana tree. This is a banana.
Okay. All right next, all in your neighborhood.
Yeah, all in my neighborhood. Over there, got the next planting. Yeah, man. And the thing you say you love it named cassava.
Cassava?
Yeah. I'm gonna show you in a bit. This is a tree, but this ain't have any under it. But this is the cassava tree.
So that's a baby.
Yeah, this is a baby cassava tree. Yeah, man. And the sugar cane where you're eating it comes from over there. Yeah. These are some bumpy banana.
They're what?
Bumpy.
Bumpy banana?
Yeah. It's
Oh,
nice.
the little ones that you hang up, right?
Yeah, it's nice when it's ripe. Yeah, man.
What is this?
Oh, well, actually, that is... I forgot the name, to be honest, but it...
Is that how the bananas come out?
Yeah, that they're on every banana, every planting. Yeah. All I hear is cleaning up.
What?
All I hear is cleaning up to turn farm. If you notice, the place is dry, so whenever you light it, a lot of fire. Fire all over the place.
But it's only going to kill the dead plants, not the live ones.
Yeah, just the dead one. The green stalk over there is sugar cane. When you're coming up back, you're gonna get some sugar cane. Yeah, man, see, planting drop down and sun burn it up.
That black spot's from the sun?
Yeah, that black spot is from the sun.
Damn.
Then, little tour of the woodland. Yeah, here is a cassava under this. This is a nice cassava tree. But we can get some cassava down by Raymond, I think. But this is
They grow underneath?
Yeah. See? It's gone all the way over here. Right. Yeah, this is the cassava. Yeah, man, you see it?
So is this what Raymond works on every day?
Yeah. Yeah, man. This tree is ready to cut now. You're actually gonna cut it one of these there. I don't know when.
This one or the tall one?
Yeah, the tall one.
Damn.
Yeah, all those are the bees. I'm gonna show you in a bit.
Honey.
Yeah, man, that's where the fucking honey come from. Those bees bite the fuck out of you.
Yeah.
You gotta have a lot of smoke and all those stuff if they're gonna bite the fuck out of you, man. Oh, I forgot to bring a crocus bag. Yeah, man, banana. Just a little tour going to the bush. And that's the only thing in Jamaica we got a little fair for in the bush. Cowitch, wasp.
What is it called?
Yeah, cowitch.
Cowage?
Yeah,
What is that?
it's some from a little bush. Or if I see it, I will show you. But if it touch you, it's gonna be scratching you, so you don't want that.
It's like poison ivy?
Maybe, but in Jamaica we call it courage. It's gonna let your skin scratch you and it's gonna get red.
If you itch it, you're gonna get rash.
That's how the fruit, right? That's that banana, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's what popping in. Yeah, man, naturally. See? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Jungle life, man. Naturally coming from the banana tree. Yeah. Nice ripe banana, man.
Ripe banana.
Ripe banana. That's how we do it. Yeah, man. Nah, see ya.
Yo.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Damn, so he cleared all this out?
Yeah, man, that's my friend who actually reaching it. Reach. And I'm looking for something, you see it? Actually feel looking something, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, actually. That for sure how long we don't get some rain in St. Mary, Jamaica. My main river is dry, but time to come. Always at them river here, I come swim and enjoy myself, but it's dry. It's been a while, you don't get any rain. So as soon as you get some rain, all this river is gonna be nice and clean and pretty. So hopefully by 2019, we got some nice river. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, for real. So actually, see me can pick two jelly I know for the general, because I know the thing said, yeah, a lot of bamboo tree and all those stuff. For real, I just said things said that. Yeah.
Tadpoles, right? Yeah.
Yeah, actually. Man, did you just watch your step, man? You're gonna pick some. Yeah, let's watch your step. We're gonna pick some jelly coconut. Yes, man. Use the bamboo. We're gonna use the bamboo. Yeah, look, all this is the river, man.
What?
This is the river I used to come and swim, man.
Really?
Yeah, but it's been a while, we don't get any rain.
I'm not able to swim in it anymore.
Yeah, because the one place. Hopefully in 2019, my river is gonna open back. In 2020, because I'm in 2019 now. So hopefully in 2020, 2021. Yeah, man. Actually,
Coconut tree.
yeah. There's the coconut tree, so we gotta use the bamboo to get the coconut.
Really?
Yeah, man. Yeah, that ain't good, so I gotta use the bamboo. So catch me while I push up the bamboo. Yeah, man. Yeah man, jelly and coconut make them fall buff. That's how we do it in Jamaica, my friend.
That's how we do it in Jamaica.
Yeah man. No worries. That's how I do it in the countryside. If you're in the city, you gotta pay at least $3 for a jelly. But in the countryside, I just go to the bush and pick some jelly coconut. Yeah man. That's how we do it. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Juke it like how you juke them, girl. Shake up your belly. Shake up your girl belly. Make she ball, boy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yo, so until next bunch on about there. Pick everything now, man. You afraid of me?
What?
Coconut. Yeah, man. You see, Sally Maggie, it's on trouble, man.
It's gotta hurt your arms after a while. Dude, that hits you on your head, you could fucking die, right?
Yeah, I see Japping my friend already, man, and he ain't fucking die.
He didn't?
He didn't die, man.
Dude, that's gotta hurt so bad.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Actually, we on the riverside, just through the river is drying. I've got to catch some fire to run the mosquitoes. So this is how I do it. Yeah, man. As easy as that. Now catch fire for run mosquito on the G. Yeah, man.
Beware of coconut.
So that's how we do it. Yeah, man. Fire kitchen. Yeah, man. So you see, gonna run the mosquito. Yeah, come this side now. Yeah, man. That's how we do it in the bush, so no mosquito ain't troubling me. Lot of fucking smoke in the bush, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, actually is the green. Is the green one?
The green ones make it smoke, right?
Yeah. Hmm? Oh, where's the jelly there now? Yeah. No, they must say enough to done everything. Because that's all you have to do to run a mosquito there. Set up the fire, broke some green in, throw up on the fire so it keeps smoking. You see? Yeah, man. Smoke, I want it to smoke. So it gotta keep smoke. Yeah, man. Now the coconut is from coconut. From jelly coconut, friend. Yeah, man, eating mangoes. Just come from the tree, freshly eat. Yeah, boy, we call it coconut water. Yeah, man. You know the fire. You don't know all that. Oh, wait,
You don't
that?
have to use. You don't have to use salt. You have something that you eat the food.
Yeah, man.
You don't have to use any sugar.
Nice. It's not bad. It's
Yeah.
really not bad.
Yeah, man, we call it coconut water.
And it's good for you, right?
Yeah, man, it's good for you.
It's good.
You see that? Yeah, man.
It, man. Chop, chop.
Chop, chop. That's how we do it and we have
It really has no bad taste.
No.
See, I've had coconut water from the store,
Yeah.
and I did not like that at all. But like this is not bad. This
Yeah,
is good.
yeah, this is
really
natural.
good.
Yeah, it's just come from the tree. Natural.
You can't beat that.
You can't beat
You
that.
can't beat that.
Natural. That's what sunrise deal. You see? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And fire run mosquitoes, so no mosquito. No time. That's how we are dealing with it.
Inside, right?
Yeah, man.
It's all gone.
Okay, what's the meat inside? Yeah, man. Yeah. There's the meat inside.
It's a homemade spoon.
Yeah, man, that's the homemade spoon. You just chop it off the side. Yeah, so all of that inside is the meat. We call it jelly meat.
Yeah. That's what you eat.
You're gonna like it, I'm sure.
Has no taste. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad.
You see it. And the trick about it, we can give you the ash. This is the jelly. We can give you one where it soon turns coconut, so the water is more ash.
Sweet.
When you're drinking it, it come like you're drinking a soda because it's ash. So
Like it's like this isn't soft, right? It's like flaky.
yeah.
That's when it actually becomes like coconut, right?
Yeah, actually this is
It has to dry.
this is a coconut, but it don't dry as yet.
So what is that?
This is a jelly, but that is a hard meat jelly. You'll be shaking. This is a coconut.
So this isn't a coconut.
No, that's a hard meat jelly.
Hard meat jelly.
Yeah, but they still call it coconut because normally the dry one is coconut, but they call it two of them coconut. But in Jamaica we call it jelly, and when it's shaking, we say coconut.
Gotcha.
Get it?
Because like when you gave this to me, I was expecting a totally different taste.
Oh,
You know?
yeah, man. That's how we do it. Peace and love. Ever and ever. Yeah, man. Yeah.